Hi, so today I'm going to be doing an outfit of the day. This is St. Patrick's Day inspired, and so yeah, let's just get started. So today isn't St. Patrick's Day, it's the day before, and I was volunteering for a St. Patrick's Day event, and I just want to show you guys what I wore, just for some inspiration. So first, I'm wearing these Forever 21 gold and green earrings. Are really pretty, and they like highlight colors of St. Patrick's Day. Just have a braid, and then I'm wearing this H&M cute shirt, button up, and then under I'm wearing this green just like tank top because I don't own a lot of green, so I figured I'd go with that. And then I'm just wearing these Christian Audigier jeans, and they have writing, it says Christian Audigier down the side, and then gold, which will accent the earrings. And then I was wearing white Converse earlier, and so yeah, that's the outfit of the day. So I'm just gonna give you guys an overall look. And so yeah, it's really cute, simple, and just ties in gold, white, and green, so you won't have too much green, and it's perfect for like a cute night out with your friends. Okay, have a good day, you guys, and enjoy your St. Patrick's Day. Talk to you later. Bye.